Hi everyone. Good morning, guys. Very good morning, all of you. Vivek, Ashwini, Satish, Shruti, Abhishek, everyone. Good evening, all of you. Sorry, good morning, all of you. How are you all? Deepak. Very good morning, everyone. All of you had your tea, coffee, hot water, juice, breakfast, everything you had, all of you, or nothing? No, nothing you had? Okay, very good, very good, right? We'll be having everything, don't worry now. Right, so what is that we are going to discuss here in this class is tachyometric surveying, part 1. Actually, I thought of scheduling it in two parts, half an hour we'll do it, right? Today half an hour we'll do and tomorrow half an hour we'll do, right? So already that second part is also scheduled. I thought of doing it in 1 hour, two classes, but the questions are very less in number. So 1 hour is more. So half an hour is sufficient, right? Today half an hour and tomorrow half an hour we will discuss. Okay, right. Lesson number 15, the tachyometric surveying part 1, GATE and ESE PYQs we are discussing, right? Now coming to this, yeah, those who are in YouTube, I'll just try to see people from YouTube also. I'll say hi to them also. Right. So what is that referral code you have to use always? That RP Civil is a referral code you have to use always. Now, whenever you are subscribing to this plus and iconic courses or any course, right, you have to use which code? RP Civil is the code you have to use, and you recommend the same code to your friends, juniors, and everybody also, right? Is not? Will you? So, are you recommending or not recommending? Okay. Here. This is my profile. You can just scan this QR code to follow my profile, or you can just paste this web link on your browser, and you will be following my profile, right? RP Civil is the code you have to use, right? Aparna, good morning. Right. So these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform now, you can say. And now at present this wonderful opportunity is going on for all of you. What is that? Based on your previous GATE rank or ESE ranks, right? What is it you can say? You will be getting these scholarships for this GATE 2024 and ESE 2024 preparation, all of you, right? So don't miss this opportunity. So those who are eligible for this, try to enroll for this, all of you, right? Now these are the GATE 2023 toppers from Unacademy. Dream, Anant, good morning. Now coming to this, these are the new batches, latest batches running. June 30th, latest batches started for 2024, right? And these are the subjects starting, you can say, all of you. And now from 13th July, right? From 13th July onwards, right, we'll be starting this strength of materials, everyone, right? So that link is not yet created, right? Has submitted, but it is not yet published. So once it is published, I will be sharing the link. Don't worry, all of you. Okay, right. So for 2025, July 13, 1-3 onwards, strength of materials will be started in the evening 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. class. Okay, right. So for 2025 people also, this latest batch was started on June 30th, all of you. So what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, everyone. Now coming to this, these are the list of these books, printed format. In a printed format you will be getting if you are going with this which one you can say, iconic subscription, right? Along with the plus benefits, you will be getting these additional benefits, everyone, right? And now Unacademy is giving this wonderful opportunity. You can go with which one? This is a no cost EMI option also, right? So no cost EMI option also you'll be going for, you can see if you just observe of you, right? It's not. So no cost EMI option means EMI but without interest, you can say, right? Okay, now these are the offline batches latestly started at June 19th. That new offline batch was started, all of you, you can say, at Delhi. So don't miss this. Those who are willing to go for this offline also, you can start your preparation there, right? These are the plus courses running now. These are the PYQ series going on now. Okay, Anand, good morning. Yeah, so this lecture 15, GATE and ESE PYQs of the tachyometric surveying. So before we enter into this tachyometric surveying, right, we are left with one question from this horizontal and this vertical course, all of you. So what is the question we are left with? This is the question we are left with actually, right? So after solving this question, right, what we'll do? After solving this question, it will go for what? After solving this question, it will go for this tacheometric questions, you can say, right? Okay, shall we go like that? Okay, we'll go for that after this is over, right? Now coming to this, select the answer of you. I think I have not given answer, na? Okay, I have not given answer, right? Just a minute, I'll give the answer and try to start the poll. One sec. Yeah, solve this. Anant only answered correctly. What about the others? Vivek also answered correctly. From YouTube, nobody is answering. Mayank, Jai Sri Ram. Okay. Ashwini also answered correctly. 100% correct answer. Try to maintain that 100% correctness. Don't miss this. Should increase the timer. %75% only answered correctly. Arey yaar, why? These questions we have solved previously many times. You should not be doing like this. Okay. These are solved previously. Right. Okay. So the two straight lines intersect at an angle of this 60 degrees, right? So what is it to consider? That a delta will be taken as which one? I told you right yesterday. So they will be mentioning the intersection, but that should be considered as which one? This is deflection angle in our calculations. Then only you will be getting the correct answer, right? That a delta will be 60 degrees. The radius of this curve joining the two straight lines is 600 meters. The radius of this curve will be equal to that is 600 meters. Then the length of this long chord and mid ordinates in meters of the curve are, right? What is that length of this long chord? You can say that is capital L. Capital L is nothing but your 2r sine delta by 2 na everyone. So 2 times what is that r? You can say radius is 600 into that sine 60 by 2 is nothing but your 30 degrees na. So how many meters it comes to be that long chord, all of you? How many meters is that long chord, everyone? Somebody tell me. 600 meters only, right? 600 meters only, you can say, right? Now what is that mid ordinate? That m or this o naught is the symbol we are giving now. What is that? You can say that is your r into that 1 minus cos delta by 2 na. R minus r cos delta by 2. Do you remember? So that is 600 into, right? What is it considered? 1 minus cos 30. So what is this value? how many meters is that? You can say that is your 80.384, right? Means 80.4, right? Which option is correct? Is it not that option B correct, all of you? Is it not that option B correct, everyone? Yes, this is that option B correct, na? Yes or no? Yes, this is your option B correct, absolutely right, like that, isn't it? So this completes your which one? This horizontal and this vertical curves, GATE and ESE PYQs. Okay. Now we'll be entering into which one? This next one. This one. Okay. Chapter 5, Tacheometric surveying we'll be discussing now, right? So shall we start? Okay. I'll be starting the poll. Try to select the answer of you. 135 seconds time I'm giving. Somebody from YouTube also answer to the questions. Okay. Okay. Good morning. Abhinandan, good morning. Vivek only answered correctly. What about the others? %50 answered. Only Vivek answered till now. From YouTube, nobody is answering. Shruti also answered. Right, 50% only. Coming to this. Okay. So, in an external focusing tacheometer, means externally focusing telescope of the tacheometer is present. The fixed interval between the stadia hairs is 5 millimeter, right? So what is that fixed interval between the stadia hairs? You have to say, can you say that as your I value? Stadia interval is your 5 millimeter. Can we say like that? Yes, na? Stadia interval that I will be equal to that 5 millimeters. You can say if you just observe, right? The focal length of this objective is 25 centimeters, right? What is the focal length of this objective glass? You can say that is your 25 centimeter, right? Not even millimeter, right? And the distance of this vertical axis of this instrument from the optical center of this objective is 15 centimeter, right? And what is that given if you just observe? And what is that? You can say that is your D, na? D is nothing but your 50, so okay, 150 millimeter or this 15 centimeter, right? This F is also equal to which one? That is your 250 millimeter, right? Everything you can convert into centimeters or millimeter. Which one of the following is the set of these constants for this tacheometer, right? So what are these? You can say K equal to which one? This multiplying constant K equal to that F by I, right? What is the F? You can say that is your 250 divided by this. What is that I? You can say 5. So now how much is that multiplying constant if you just observe, everyone? 250 by this 5 is how much? You can say that is your 50, multiplying constant will be 50, you can say. And what is that additive constant C? You can say that is your F plus D, na? That is your F plus D, right? What is the F focal length? that is your 250 millimeter, plus what is the D, you can say 150 millimeter. So both together how much it comes to be? Both together how much it comes to be? 2 3 400 and I said no, 400 millimeters, right? 400 millimeters means that is equal to that 0.4 meters now. So which one is present? Obviously option D will be present, or not everyone? So here this 15 centimeter is your D na. Do you remember that F, D, U, V? We have done that. Yes na? I have shown in that diagram, everyone, if you just observe. We have drawn this diagram in our place class. Remembered all of you not? Remember na? Right. So noted. Shall I move to the next? Shall I move to the next question of you? Right. Okay, I'll be moving on to the next question. So this is option A is what? Assertion is true and reason is true, and what is it given? Assertion is true, comma reason is true, and reason is a correct explanation of this assertion, right? I'll tell you after the poll is over, right? Where is it envisaged? Okay, after the poll is over, I'll tell you. Envisaged means studied simply, okay? Studied, okay? That is the meaning you can understand. So here second option is what? Assertion is true and this reason is true. And what is it you can say? Reason is not the correct explanation of this assertion, right? And what is it? See, assertion is true and this reason is false, right? What is it? Assertion is, reason is true and assertion is false, you can say, right? So these are the options we are having, right? So I'll be going for this. 45 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this, all of you. Vivek only answered correctly. What about the others? From YouTube also nobody is answering. Right. So what is that you can say? When a contour survey of this steepy sloping area is envisaged, right? So steep slope area is there, contour survey we are doing, right? The tacheometric methods are often used, right? So whenever it is a steepy slope, right, the contour lines will be very much nearby, you can say, right? The contour lines if you draw na, these are very much nearby. And here whenever it is a steep slope means many elevation points will be getting na. Lot of elevation points will be getting, or very few elevation points will be getting? Tell me. Lot of elevation points will be getting or not? Obviously. The stadia tacheometry leads to more accurate computation of lengths compared to the steel tape methods. However, cautious, more careful manner, right? Is na? So if you just observe in this, if you are using this steel tape, we will be getting this exact horizontal distances for this contour interval. Contour interval is nothing but your horizontal distance between these two contour lines, you can say. So that horizontal distance between them is accurately obtained by this steel tables or steel tape or chain, or it is accurately obtained by this tachyometer. Tell me, which one is better? Tachyometer, exact pointing, you can get it, right? So if you wanted to measure this slope every time, is it easy to measure the slopes that many times? It is difficult to measure the slopes using the chain many number of times, not tape or chain many number of times now. So tachyometer, if you take the reading and if the constants of this tachyometer are perfect now, exact focusing will happen and you will be getting the correct readings only, right? So horizontal distance D equal to Ks plus C, that various cases we have seen now, so that will give the exact correct answer, right? Is not? So that is why we have to use which method, you can say, that is why we have to use which method? This because it is accurate, you have to use it or not? Definitely. Because it is accurate, you have to use it definitely. What not relate? I did not get you. Horizontal distances. It is for mentioning the computation of this length. Okay, it is for calculation of this length. Okay, related only, no? Accurate computation of this length compared to the steel tapes. So in however cautious and careful manner, right? See, using this tachyometer we can do the leveling also, no? What is the meaning of this contour survey, Shruti? Yeah, Missy, good morning. Contour survey is nothing but you are identifying the elevations or reduce the levels of each and every point, na, so that we can join them to form a contour line. So it is also simply leveling only, no? Yes or no? It is also okay, Missy, no problem. It is also simply leveling only, no? So now horizontal distances as well as this, the leveling we can do at a time, na? Yes or no? We can do at a time with using this tachyometer or not? Yes or no? Stadia tachyometer if you just observe, right? So top stadia reading and bottom stadia reading, central stadia reading we can use for leveling purpose, and top and bottom stadia readings we can use for horizontal distance purpose, right? So it is better we'll use this, or it is better we'll not use this without any problem, and that too with more accuracy we are getting. So it is better you have to use them, or it is better you don't use them? It is better you use them, na? Yes or no? So related or not related then? Tell me. Because these are accurate, because this will be resulting in accurate calculations, we have to use it. So no, Shruti. If it is resulting in accurate values, we have to use it, or we should not use it? Because it is accurate, we have to use it, na? Definitely. Suppose if it is not accurate, can we use? If it is not giving that much accurate results, can we use? Can we recommend this to use? No, we don't recommend to use. Got it? Right. So here if we just observe, it is just a simple observation only. For normally speaking, entire tachyometry for that purpose only. We have mentioned that point in the starting. I have mentioned this in our place class if you remember. Right. So the subtense tachyometry method is adapted when the ground is flat. For calculating the horizontal distance, instead we need to use the tachyometry, or we can use the chain and tape itself. Chain and tape itself are better, na? No need of this tachyometer, right? Inclined, whenever it is inclined also we can use that, right? But only for undulating a ground can we use that other methods? Chain method, can we use chain or tape? No. Only way is to use this tachyometer, na? So no, the only way possible is tachyometer, you can say, right? Is na? So subtense tachyometer means, right, what is it? You can say this is your subtense bar you are placing, and you are observing from this point, na? So no, to the center, to the top, to the bottom, right? That alpha by 2. Do you remember that our discussions on this? Is na? So shall I move to the next question, at fourth question? One second. Yeah, this is the last question. After solving this question, we'll close the session. Okay. It is simple question, right? This is very simple question, you can say, all of you. Okay, very simple question or very difficult question, you can say. Deepak only answered. What about the others? from YouTube, nobody is answering. Thirty seconds more time. Should I increase the timer? Shruti also answered correctly. Right. So here the following observations were taken with a transit fitted with the stadia wires. So means that is your stadia theodolite it will become, right? Line of sight was horizontal and the staff was held vertical. Okay, staff is held vertical only. So this is what you are having. Top stadia here reading and this bottom stadia here reading you are having, and this is the staff held vertical only, right? Normally you can say, is not? Now the tachyometric constants K and C are, so what is it given that K will be equal to that 100 and this C will be equal to that 0.4 meters, right? Then the horizontal distance between the staff and this instrument is, right? What is that symbol we are giving for this horizontal distance between them? Capital D is the symbol we are giving now, and this is your staff intercept now. So now tell me, right, what is that staff intercept? Yes, you can say, if you just observe what is that staff intercept? Yes, ऊपर वाला reading minus which नीचे वाला reading ना, top here 1.726. So 1.726 minus what is it you can say? Sorry, 2.830, right? 2.830. 2.830. Okay, means it is reverse you can say. Okay, 2.830. 2.830 minus which one? This 1.726 na, 1.726. So tell me what is the staff intercept? How many meters is that staff intercept? 1.104 meters, right? So then how can you get that, right? D equal to that Ks plus C na? So no, D equal to that Ks plus C. So what is it? K is nothing but your 100 into that 1.104 plus what is that? C 0.4, right? So what is the distance D comes to be, right? How many meters is the horizontal distance between this staff and this instrument? 110.8 meters na. So 110.8 meters, right? Is there any option with that 110.8 meters, all of you? Option is C will be there na. So no, option is C will be there, right? 110.8 meters, right? Got it? I think these are the questions, right? So 110.8 meters we are having, right? So anyone having any doubts in our discussions till now? Anyone having any doubts, all of you? Any doubts, anyone? If any doubts are there, we'll just discuss those doubts. If no doubts, we'll close the session, right? Shall we close the session? Right. I think the questions are over. Okay. If I'll find any other questions, I'll add in the tomorrow's class and we'll finish it off, right? Otherwise, tomorrow's class topic title also I'll try to change it. Okay. Thank you. So shall I close the session, all of you? Yeah. So I'll be closing the session. Thank you, all of you. Right. Before that, right, these are the handouts, right? You can just enroll with these, all of you. If you wanted to enroll for this batch na 2024 batch, you can just enroll here. And this is your which one? This is 2025 batch. If you wanted to enroll for this, you can enroll, all of you, right? Okay. 2024 batch and this 2025 batch, right? Whichever the batch you wanted to enroll, you can enroll, right? Once enrolled, tell me, I'll close the session. Okay. Thank you all of you. I'll be closing the session, right? Thank you. Have a good day.